Hi, I'm Emma and I'm here to show you some tips and techniques of how to do beautiful makeup. In the description below are the links to all the products I use in this tutorial. Any questions, please leave me a comment below.
So welcome to today's tutorial of Get the Line. So basically this is my eyeliner, how to do eyeliner. A lot of people find this difficult, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial of how I do it. So first of all, I've got a Kohl pencil. It doesn't matter which Kohl pencil you use exactly. I think this one is, yes, it's a Dior one. And I'm going to just mark out my lines, my guidelines, where I want my eyeliner to be to lift the eye. Obviously for Annabelle, she has got great eye shape and eyes. So I'm just going to go to the outer corner and I'm going to look where the eyebrow finishes, and I'm going to go just aim up towards where the outer eyebrow finishes. You can only do this, I think, with having the eyes open, because if you close the eyes, it's going to give you a different shape. It's not going to lift. It's going to probably be quite a lot lower and probably read more ticky, as I call it, when the eyeliner looks a bit curly on the ends rather than a really straight pointy line. So yeah, so I'm taking a bit of time to get my eyeliner symmetrical, and then I'm basically going along the lash line as close to the lashes as possible, and then connecting where I want my eyeliner to meet. So I'm connecting those two up together right now. So along and then connect to the outer edge. So I do this in two separate sections because I just find it easier. And also your ticks are, well, you're not your ticks, but your eyeliner is there then. It's in place. You know that when you look at the eyeliner, it's not going to be a surprise at the finish. If you do it the other way around, where you go along the lash line and then to the outer edge, you might find that one eye looks one way and one eye looks slightly different on the other side. So this way is kind of a sure, fast way to put your eyeline guide in and then run a bit along the lash line and then connect the two. And you can have that connection as thick or as thin as you want. That's up to you. There's 100 ways, thousands of ways of doing eyeliner, different shapes, sizes, straight, more blocky, more elongated. But if you use this technique, this will be a good technique to guide you. Once I've done all the kohl, I like to go in with my angle brush, which I just showed you, and my liquid liner, which is actually a gel liner in a pot. I like Bobbi Brown's. I like Inglot. This is actually Inglot that I'm using. It's a black eyeliner, a dense black eyeliner. The reason I like the ones in the pots is because I can actually manipulate them afterwards as well. I find that Bobbi Brown's I can blend in slightly if I want to, and Inglot is quite stay fast and dries pretty quick, but it's a really good intense black. And I find that one as well is easy to clean up afterwards if I've made any mistakes. Here I'm using my cotton bud, which is it's a cotton tip from Muji. They're very, very thin. It's really, really thin. And I just put a bit of the Bioderma Micelle water on it, on the cotton tip, and then manipulate the end so that it's a sharp finish. And this makes, you can actually elongate the line slightly as well using your cotton bud, and just taper it off to nothing. That's what an eyeliner I think should look like. It should be tapering off to literally nothing, so it's a fine point. I'm just using my brush again to draw along close to the lash lines, going over the kohl liner that I did. The reason we use kohl liner at the start is because it's easy to remove. If you go straight in with liquid liner and you make mistakes, it's much harder to get off. So I always do it this way. And obviously kohl will move throughout the day, so it's better to go in with a good quality liquid liner or a gel liner afterwards. There's lots of great liquid liners. Pat McGrath does a great pen liquid liner. I find that really good because it's already got the angle brush on it, the angle tip, and she's also got the other side, which is a fine tip. So there's lots. It's just finding the one that works for you. I like an eyeliner pen from Burberry as well for me when I do mine. It's just a really good pointy tip. But as I say, for this look, I'm just showing you the way I do it on models. And this is my the easiest way. So there we go. So I've connected all the eyeliner together. And there you go. That's my finished eyeliner look.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and comment. New videos are going to be uploaded onto my channel every Saturday, so please subscribe.